Hi, my name is Dr. Juhi Jahan. I have completed my 6 months of internship in Aditya Homeopathic Hospital, and I would like to share my experience in this beautiful journey. Firstly, I knew about this hospital since the first year of my BHMS, and I always wanted to do my internship here. I used to always wonder that how there could be a homeopathic hospital, and also how there can be such high patient load in homeopathic hospital in both OPD as well as IPD. So being with sir, being with the true legend in homeopathy, Dr. Aman Ekam sir, I understood and my all questions gradually found their answer. I understood that even today classical homeopathy can be practiced in its real and genuine form. And that's what I wanted to always learn about classical homeopathy. And despite having vast experience and vast knowledge in homeopathy, sir remained extremely grounded. And something that truly admired me was his energy and dedication towards each patient, each case, and each medicine. Many of us rely on softwares for repetization. Sir uses books for repetization, and through his guidance, I learned that even repetization can be done manually. Finding the right rubric is very important, because if you collect all the PQRS symptom and you put it all PQRS symptom and then you find a remedy, you may not find the right remedy. But selecting the right rubric and then repetizing, you will give you the correct remedy and correct healing. So as an intern, we used to have very doubt about how this case was treated, or why this medication was given, why this rubric was given. So sir always used to tell us very not only practically, not only verbally, but also very practically. He used to say that open this materia medica, open this repertory. He used to tell us that see, this clinical indication is given in this book, this rubric was taken from this repertory, and so this medication was given. So the 6 month of period was very enriching academically. So with his guidance, I understood many cases which are not only chronic but also the severe, as well as emergency cases can be treated, as well as acute cases can be also treated. I have seen many cases of like GBS, aplastic anemia, ILD, say multiple sclerosis, TVD, psoriasis, autism, and many more such cases where I have seen many remarkable changes. One of the clinical case that I would like to share was a patient of CKD. It was end-stage kidney disease, and his serum creatinine was 10.59, and within 10 days it was reduced to 7 without any dialysis. That was something very boosting my confidence in homeopathy, and we have seen many such cases, many remarkable cases, many miracles we have seen in homeopathy. Now also emergency cases we have seen, like hypertensive cases, as well as diabetes cases. So after joining in this hospital, the first guidance and first teaching we get through Dr. Suchitra ma'am. Her teachings taught us that how to take case, how to analyze case deeply, as well as medicine. What is the role of miasm? What is the role of pathology? Why we should know the complication of each disease, and how we should manage all the cases, and how the medication is given. As well as she mentioned about why sir uses what kind of repertory sir uses, as well as what kind of materia medica sir uses, which also enhanced our knowledge. Later, Dr. Manish sir, as a intern head as well as great doctor, he ensured that we learned something beyond book. He ensured that the every Friday seminar was something meaningful, and not only case presentation in every Friday seminar, but also something about personality development, guest lecture, as well as open discussion to solve all the doubts. He always listened to interns, and as well as academically, as well as non-academically. He always built up our confidence. Like every small doubt, we used to tell sir that this is a very small doubt. He entertained every question of ours and explained. So it was a great journey with sir, and also he used to plan a trip in between so that we can feel refreshed after long duty hours. So, and after that, something very important in homeopathy is materia medica, and Manasvi ma'am materia medica lecture was really very exceptional. This, like the way she teaches materia medica, is something that I have never experienced before. She teaches with so much of depth and clarity that once it's understood to you, you will not forget it till your entire life. And it was very beautifully she explained all those drugs. So, she also guided us with the career in homeopathy, and as well as how to be a classical homeopath, and her experience in classical homeopathy. So, and later evening round with Dr. Rathod sir was very clinically enriching, because there we used to explain, sir used to explain us why this case, why this medicine was given, and how the progress was there. Even why this case, this medication was stopped, and why this medication later was introduced to that patient, why this potency was given, and many small doubts about hospital, as well as during case taking, which we used to feel very small, and he used to answer those questions. So it was also very great experience in an evening round. So the different teacher, the consultant, they all are very positive about homeopathy. Even today, classical homeopathy can be practiced in so pure form. We can see very practically over here. So I feel like those who want to practice classical homeopathy, I feel like they should come here. This is the best platform for them. Because there are n number of patients in IPD. IPD are always full. OPDs are always full. So you have very clinical exposure, not only on the OPD basis, but as well as IPD basis. You can first hand see how the progress is there in the patient. You can clinically see the reports, as well as the progress when the patient himself says that how much improvement is there and what medicine was given. So everything is open here. Nothing is hidden. What medicine was given, what potency was given, what repetitization was done, when the medicine was changed. Everything is open here. There is nothing hidden. From my experience to learn classical homeopathy, this is the best platform. And I also feel very grateful that I am the student of Dr. Aman Nikam sir, my guru, and I truly feel proud about it. Thank you.